Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making paneer potato balls. This paneer potato balls recipe is crisp on the outside and soft on the inside with the right balance of flavours. Once you try one, it's hard to stop eating them. It makes a perfect tea time snack or delicious starter for any party. This snack is perfect when you are fasting too. And you can have this paneer potato balls with green chutney and tomato ketchup. I promise you, if you make this recipe, it will win everyone's heart. So what are we waiting for? Let's have a look at the recipe. We will need 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger and chili paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon rock salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 50 grams crushed peanuts, 50 grams mozzarella cheese, 20 grams freshly chopped coriander, 200 grams grated paneer, 250 grams boiled and mashed potatoes, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Now we're going to add all of our ingredients to make our paneer and potato balls mixture. Our paneer, which is also known as cottage cheese, our freshly chopped coriander, our mozzarella cheese, our crushed peanuts, our rock salt, our chaat masala, black pepper powder, our cumin powder, sesame seeds, our ginger and chili paste, and then we're going to mix everything well. You can add finely chopped garlic and onion if you are not making this recipe for fasting days, and you can also add some chili flakes if you like to have your food a little bit spicy. Now our mixture is ready, so we're going to grease our hands and then make some ball shapes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe and share this with your friends and family, as we would really like your support and would appreciate it. As you can see, we have made our paneer potato balls, and if you follow this recipe, you'll get around 25 to 30 of them. Now it's time to shallow fry them. Now we're going to put a couple of drops of oil in each and then shallow fry them. As you can see, it only takes a little bit of oil to cook this. Now we're going to put our paneer potato balls in. This is a healthy version of making these balls, as we are not deep frying them, we're shallow frying them. We are cooking our balls in a mini pancake pan, and make sure when you're doing this, your flame is on low, and we're going to cook this for a couple of minutes before we flip them over. Now it's been a couple of minutes, so we're going to flip them round. As you can see, they've got this nice golden brown colour. And then we're going to cook it on the other side for a couple of minutes. They are nicely cooked. We're going to take them out in a bowl which has a paper towel on, so that the paper towel absorbs all the extra oil. And then it's time for cooking. We are having these paneer potato balls with tomato ketchup and green chutney. There is a link in the description box which is the recipe for green chutney. So please have a look and try it out. If you like these recipes, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!